And welcome back. Some good news to report tonight. Remember that flash flood watch we talked about earlier this evening? It is gone. The precipitation is falling tonight, but it's not expected to cause any kind of flash flooding concerns. Any of the nearest alerts is flash flood warnings off in parts of western Iowa. So a nice quiet night in store for us tonight overall, at least when it comes to any alerts. Right now we do have some rain moving through from west to east. Draw a line from Marathon County on down to the south. We're seeing some rain and perhaps a few rumbles of thunder also. It's moving from a west to east direction generally, but you're seeing a little bit of a southerly jog with it too as it follows that stationary front that has set up shop. We zoom on now for that bigger picture. You can see it's really, you got storms firing up all along this front here. There's a big ridge here, and it's causing a big dome of heat to kind of develop as well, and that's why we're seeing all the storm action that's moving to even parts of our neck of the woods also. Severe weather threat has really quieted down. We thankfully didn't see anything today, and I think it's safe to say we are done. Even its marginal risk, I personally believe might be overdoing it a little bit, but still maybe a very teeny tiny chance a storm could get a little crazy, but I personally think we'll be fine tonight. There is still a little bit of daylight left, as you can see in the airport, and our observation site out of Rhinelander is back up and running. It is reporting 68 degrees at the moment, and our dew point is 65 degrees. See that 3-degree difference there? So our air is very saturated. It's very humid out there tonight, and we'll talk about those dew points in a little bit. Many of us are in the upper 60s to low 70s at the moment. Eagle River, you're in the mid 60s at the moment. So a very nice and rather muggy night here across the region. And our high temperatures today, with the exception of Rhinelander, many of us got into the upper 70s to low 80s. Rhinelander's high is inaccurate because of the outage, so ignore Rhinelander, but many of us got into the upper 70s to low 80s today. We look at our rainfall forecast coming up over the next few hours. I think this might be overdoing it for Wisconsin Rapids, but we could see a decent amount of rainfall tonight, maybe in inch areas to the south though, but as this line moves on through a little bit, but everything overall should be fine tonight. Dew points though, there's a lot of moisture in the air, so don't be surprised if you do see some heavy downpours. 70 degrees. This is tropical air like what you see down in Florida. Not very nice to be outside tonight or tomorrow for the next few days for that matter, because that in our current dew points so are pretty high in the muggy range in the mid 60s or even some upper 60s the farther south to go. So that's why we're seeing all the rainfall potential. Futurecast tonight, the rain showers and few rumbles of thunder will move through tonight into tomorrow morning as well. And we'll see some chances possibly for the afternoon also, although not as big as what we'll see possibly later on tomorrow morning. Things will quiet on down as we head towards Tuesday night. We might even say goodbye to the clouds. Also have a partly cloudy to mostly clear sky Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and a very quieter day as we head towards Wednesday. Perhaps a tiny chance of a pop-up shower or storm for our southern counties overall. And then Wednesday evening, more things begin to move on in. So your forecast for tonight, 63 degrees, showers and thunderstorms possible tonight, especially along and south of Marathon County. Looking ahead towards your Tuesday, showers and thunderstorms possible, highs in the low 80s. And winds not bad out of the northwest at 5 miles an hour. And your Northwoods Furniture 7-day forecast. Here's the 4th of July, and the day itself is looking good, so the parade should be able to get on in. It's the fireworks that might be a little bit of a concern. Many of us may get close to 90 on Wednesday as we backtrack a little bit, but temperatures take a gradual decline to where we actually hit maybe in the mid 70s on Sunday, then rebounding a little bit by next Monday. Lane?